Hey guys, I'm Russell and tonight I'll be unboxing the fellow Prismo Aeropress attachment. Before we start, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you guys don't miss any future episodes. For anybody that doesn't know what an Aeropress is, it's this little guy right here. It's essentially a way of making coffee, and I'm not going to really go into it or how to use it, but at the end of this video, I will link another one of my videos from way early in my YouTube career about how to use the Aeropress. I apologize in advance for the crappy video quality and the boring video, but it gives you a good idea of how to use the Aeropress. And this fellow Prismo Aeropress attachment essentially is a replacement to the top of the Aeropress. Now, the reason why this is such an awesome product, in my opinion, is because one of the flaws of the Aeropress is the top mesh portion where you put a coffee filter and your coffee and then add water. It actually leaks through the filter sometimes and drips prematurely. So this actually solves that. So on the back it says pressure actuated valve stays sealed until you press down. No drip seal. Ditch the flip. Brew full immersion without inverting your Aeropress coffee maker. And then it says reusable metal filter. The etched fine metal filter stops sludge in its tracks. And then it says endless recipes, espresso style, full immersion, cold brew, hot and iced tea, and Americanos. So on the side, it says superpowers for your Aeropress coffee maker. And then on the other side, it says no drip seal. So let's get into this. On the top, it just goes over some basic instructions about how to use it, adding water, the press, all that. And it actually comes, in a really nice, almost waxed paper that has boom on it. So far, I really like the presentation of this. So it comes wrapped, and then it also comes in plastic, so there's that. So the filter is removable, and as you can see my face through the filter, which is good, but it's very, very fine. That's finer than I thought it was going to be, actually. And then you have the base. This is the top that attaches to the Aeropress, and this is the bottom. And then on the inside, you have an instruction manual, which has the same information as the top of the box. And it also has safety and use guides, important safety notes, all that. So basically the way this works is you set the filter inside the Prismo, and then you twist it onto your Aeropress like that. Fits nicely, tight seal. You put your coffee in, you put your water, and then you press. Now the one thing I really like about this is, as you can see, there's a very prominent lip. And I don't have a cup on me, but the lip essentially sits on top of a good sized mug, so that prevents it from getting onto the side of the mug if it doesn't happen to seat right. So that is pretty much it. It looks like it's really well made, and I'm gonna have to do further tests, but so far I like it. I'm going to do some tests and do a review video down the road, but this is the fellow Prismo Aeropress attachment. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!